Every time you search for a product on Amazon or check your bank balance or filter your emails, SQL is working behind the scenes. Today, let's learn the language that powers it all. Imagine a massive library with millions of books. You need to find every book published after 2020 by a specific author. You could wander the aisle, checking each shelf one by one. But that would take forever. That's exactly what working with data without SQL feels like. Slow, painful, and error prone. Now imagine a business with 10 million customer records. Finding every customer who spent over $100 last month by flipping through papers? Impossible. Without a query language, you need entire team just to find one answer. Data without SQL is like a library without a catalog. All the information is there, but you can't find anything. That's where SQL comes in play. SQL stands for the Structured Query Language. It's the language you use to talk to database. Think of it as having a super fast librarian who answered your questions instantly. You ask show me all the customers who spent over $100 last month, and SQL returns the answer in milliseconds. Here's the clever part. SQL never actually reads every record one by one. It stores the data in tables like a spreadsheet, rows and records. Columns are like categories, and you use selects and tells the database what to show and where to you filter exactly what you need. It's like telling the librarian I want the title and author, but only for books published after 2020. Stay with me, the next part is where most tutorials stop explaining. What if your data lives in multiple tables? That's where you use join comes in. Imagine linking your customer table with your orders tables. Now you can see who bought what. In a single query, join is like a glue that connects your data together. In SQL terms, the library is the database, and each shelf is like a table, and your question is a query. The 4 core commands like select to read and insert to add, update to change, and delete to remove. Together they cover everything you need to manage data and what all developers call CRUD operations. What if you ever search for a flight, filtered by product or by price, or checked your bank balance online? You have already been using SQL. It runs behind Netflix, Spotify, your banking app, and almost every website with a search bar. It's been the data language for choice for 40 years, and it's not going anywhere. So SQL is your super fast librarian for data, and ask any questions, get your answers instantly. So quick recap, it uses tables like spreadsheets, select and word to find exactly what you need, join to connect the tables together, and 4 core commands which covers everything. If this helps you, hit the smash button for like and subscribe for more. And the subscribe button is red button on your YouTube. So drop a comment. What data would you query first, and let me know in the comment section. I'm super happy to know your feedback. So thank you for watching.